Hello everyone and welcome to AGTechTube. Today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial about enabling the Auto Translate function in Google Chrome browser. Open Google Chrome browser and press the three dots on top right corner of screen and go to Settings. On the left tab find Language, press on it and go to bottom. You need to press on this one to expand the selection. And as you can see here, it automatically translates these languages. You need to add the languages that you want to be auto-translated. Press Add Languages and search for the language that you want to translate. I will add Chinese and translate into this language. This means whenever you enter a site which is in Chinese language, it will be auto-translated to English. So that's a very simple process. I hope you enjoyed it and I will catch you in the next videos. Thank you.